Hello there everyone, Ashmita this side from Saurav's classes. Here we are solving questions from the Sociology paper of the Kuwait examination 2022. And if you want to solve questions with me like this, we have detailed sessions also. Do join our live lectures or the portal access if you want to get, you can enroll in our classes. We teach for all kinds of entrance exams and all kinds of competitive examinations. So yes, you can join our classes for getting all the expert guidance. There are mock test facilities and also we provide you with study materials. So yes, you can get the study materials by contacting us or you can directly buy them from Amazon and Flipkart also. Let's come to the question. All the details anyway are given in the description box just below this video. The very first question says, what washerman, potters, goldsmiths, oil pressers are known as what? They are known as service castes because in the Indian caste system, whoever provides all these services, they have been termed as this thing. These castes traditionally provided services to the community. Moving over to the next question. The next question that is presented to you on the screen is farmers' suicide can be linked to agrarian distress caused by structural changes in the agriculture. Now these includes what? Liberalization policies, declining state support, high cost inputs, community involvement increased in agricultural operations, or changing crop pattern. Which one? Or which one is not there actually? That only if we find out first, then the others would definitely get included. Yeah, so taking the first one, it can be included in the sentence that is given, that is liberalization policies. What are these basically? Liberalization policies are the market oriented policies, and trade liberalization can lead to fluctuating crop prices or making farming less financially stable. So those kind of policies are included in liberalization policies. Now what is declining state support? It means state support means the government has reduced its support in terms of subsidies, in terms of crop insurance, and agricultural extension services also um, has been reduced from the part of the government, and hence all these together can increase the financial burden on the farmers. Okay. High cost inputs are also reasons for farmers' suicide because the cost of agricultural inputs such as seeds, fertilizers, pesticides can be immensely high, and thus it impacted the farmers' profitability. Then changing crop pattern. Let's come to E. Changing crop pattern means shifts in crop patterns due to market demand or environmental factors can definitely affect the farmers who are unable to adapt to each and everything quickly. So yes, all these contributed to agrarian distress, farmers' suicide and all. However, the point that is number D, this one, community involvement increased in agricultural operations, it's not typically considered as a factor which contributed to like yes which basically contributed to all sorts of agrarian distress. So this cannot be directly linked. So yes, this is the actual answer for us, which cannot be included. Yes, this is not the answer, like this cannot be included. So we are going with A, B, C and E. So yeah, this one, B. A, B, C and E. We are leaving out D. Our answer would be B. Okay, moving over to the next question. Next question is, which of the following statement is not true about the second phase of Green Revolution? Now the statement, farmers switch from switch to multi-crop system from the monocrop system. This may not be included under the second phase of Green Revolution. Apart from that, increasing dependence on market, Green Revolution resulted in increased regional inequalities, increased risks for farmers. Yes, these all can be included. So the statement farmers switched to multi-crop systems from the monocrop systems is not necessarily true about it's not necessarily true about the second phase of the Green Revolution. So in many cases, we can say the second phase of Green Revolution continued to focus on high yielding varieties of specific crops rather than promoting the multi-cropping systems. So yes, the transition to multi-cropping system can vary depending on local agricultural practices and conditions. Moving over to the next question. Here we have another question based on list 1 and list 2. We have to match them correctly. So we have to match the concepts of the sociologists with their characteristics given in list 2. First one says alienation. Alienation means when workers do not enjoy the work and the tasks become repetitive and exhausting. Convergence thesis, what does that mean? It means that all countries follow the same path to modernization. Scientific management, it means that it includes the work broken into small repetitive elements to increase the efficiency. And lastly, we have Harry Braverman's thesis, that is machinery actually de-skills the laborers or the workers. Moving over to the next question now. Next question says, we have to arrange the following sentences in the sequence or the process of bidi making. So we have here these sentences, that is dampening the tender leaves, contractor sells bidi to manufacturer, filling the tobacco evenly and tying them, it would be tying them with thread. Manufacturer sells to distributor, villagers pick up the tender leaves and sell them to the forest department. So over here we can say the very first one would be villagers obviously pick up the tender leaves and sells them to the forest department. Secondly, we can say the dampening of the tender leaves is done. So we can go with the EA. Rest is then filling up the tobacco evenly and tying them with the thread. Then it's already given, so B and D. Next we have B and lastly D. Contractor sells the bidis to the manufacturer and manufacturer sells to the distributor. Yes, quite easily arranged. So yeah, that's it for today's class's discussion. We are going to solve many other questions from the other Kuwait papers as well as from this paper. We are going to continue in the other classes. Do follow our channel to follow the answers and the solutions. If you want to have live sessions for any kind of entrance exam preparation or any kind of competitive exam preparation, you can join our classes for that. And you can also call us in the number which is provided in the description box just below this video if you have any kind of queries. And yes, if you don't want to call, just post down your comments below if you have any questions down there. So yes, let's meet again in the next class. Thank you for being with me till here.